Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today, the wigs I wore in September. You know, if you're following along, you know I do this little series every month that shows some of the wigs that I wore in the previous month, and I really enjoy making these. I hope you enjoy them. Now, I've reviewed all these wigs, so this is not a wig review. This is just a really fast overview of a few of the wigs I wore last month. So if you want to see full reviews, go to the drop down box below this video. Just expand that drop down box and you will see links to all of the full reviews of these wigs. Now, all of these wigs are from wigstudio1.com. Either they were provided to me for previous review or I purchased them myself. So let's get started. First up, Ellen Villa. This is Promise and the color is Pearl Blonde Rooted 101 16 14. Now this is a special wig. This is a blend of human hair and synthetic. Now, if you have not tried one of these Ellen Villa blended fiber wigs, I would encourage you to do so. I love Promise. I like this longer nape here. It fits really tight against the neck. I like that. Any way you move it. Just showing you this. Now, like I said, I have a full review. This is a hand-tied cap. But I'll tell you why I like these fibers. It's the best of both worlds. So you have your human hair mixed in, which is exactly that. You get this feel and look of human hair. You see there's no shine on this wig at all. Yet this reacts like synthetic. So it doesn't frizz in the humidity. I live in the South. It's really humid down here. So it reacts like synthetic, but it looks like human hair. So it truly is the best of both worlds. So if you haven't tried one of these blends, just have a look at them. Yes, they are pricey. I'm not going to say they're not pricey. They are. However, I believe they are worth the money. I have two Promise and a couple different colors, and I also have Adore, which is a gorgeous wig. Check it out also. So this is the first one I wanted to show you, Ellen Villa Promise in Pearl Blonde Rooted. All right, I love red hair. If you have watched me for a while, you know I started off doing just blonde pixies. Wow, have times changed. You know, I made you a promise a couple years ago that I was going to start showing you every color and style and length and everything else, and I really do believe I've kept that promise. I have tried to show you so many different styles. In doing that, I have fallen in love with red. I would have never believed it, but I reach for these reds all the time. This is Gabor Timeless Beauty, and this is GL 2931 SS, which is their SS Rusty Auburn. I think they have done a beautiful job on this color. Look how beautiful this color is. It has a lace front and a mono part on this wig. This bob, this is a perfect length bob. I think any face shape can wear this, any age can wear this. Very low density, very low density here. Just a throw on and go. If you like, now sometimes I like to pull my hair off my face. Well, most of the time I will use, this is just a little of the Hair You Wear Control Hairspray. And I will pull my hair back just like this, and I will just spray the front. And as you can see, that immediately takes it off your face. It's a great way to tame flyaways as well. Just a good little trick. I use it all the time. And now this is not a permanent fix. If you want it to stay back off your face so it'll stay that way after washing, you'll need to steam it. But if you just want a temporary fix, a little hairspray will do the job. This is Henry Margaux Renee 6101 GR. I have a review coming this weekend, I believe, to my channel on this wig. I fell in love with this wig. This is a hand-tied cap. It is gorgeous. Now, Renee, what I like about it, it has a lot of fiber here, so it has some volume. It's not big. There's no permatease. This is a hand-tied cap. It's just that they've added a good bit of fiber here, and they've added some wave into this. So with that wave, you get a little bit of volume. Look at this lace front. Wow. Did they ever do that? Great. And this color, it's beautiful. Again, a little longer nape, which is great if you have hair that grows down on your neck a little. This will cover that. Now, I tend to always put everything behind my ears. You certainly do not have to do that. You can wear this all going forward. Really mess it up. Get your hands in there and pull these fibers away from the cap. Wow. You can't go wrong with this one for sure. Henry Margu really, I feel like, knows how to make some beautiful styles. Okay, this is Estetica Designs Hunter RH1488 RT8. I have never had Hunter. This has been around forever. I've just never had it before, so I wanted to try it. Wig Studio One sent it to me, and I'm glad I did. What a fun, cute style. If you like bangs, this is a nice wig. Now, I will tell you, this is huge on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is very large. All these waves, now this does not have a lace front. It does have a mono crown. I will have a review coming soon to my channel on this one as well. And I just have enjoyed it. I thought it's fun, it's different. Beautiful color, of course, RH1488 RT8. And just enough wave to give it a little personality. Raquel Welch, Simmer Elite, and SS Cappuccino. All right, another thing I've learned by branching out, trying some new things, is I love these wigs. A little longer, these beachy waves, works for everybody. I just think this is such a beautiful wig. This also fits me a little large, just so you know. Hand-tied cap, lace front, it's got it all. Another out-of-the-box style. If you haven't tried Simmer, now you know this is a bestseller. It's been around for a while. People love it for a reason. These waves are believable. This wig is believable. I have worn this, I cannot tell you how many times, and gotten so many compliments on it. So if you want to branch out to a little beachy wave style, look at Simmer. This is Jon Renau Cameron. Let's see, this one is Palm Springs Blonde. Hand-tied cap, beautiful. Now this is another one that I find falls in my face. So again, using a little hairspray, I'm going to spray it back, tame those flyaways a little, get it off my face just a little bit, and I'm good to go. And that's all it takes. And that's all I need, just to get it off my face just a little bit. Wow, what a beautiful bob. Look at this length. It's a beautiful length. Under the chin, hits in a good place. Hand-tied cap, lace front, Palm Springs Blonde, Cameron. Okay, this is Estetica Jameson RH1488 RT8. Another bob, very similar to what we just looked at with Cameron, right? Long. Now this has a lace front and a mono part. Cameron, as we saw, was it's a hand-tied cap. This is not. This again, low density, sleek, as you can see. A little longer, but wow, easy to wear, right? So pretty. They do really nice lace fronts, I think, on these wigs. You, again, could steam this one, and again, this one is large on me. So I just like to kind of tell you the fit. I have, like I said, a 21¼ inch head. I just like to give you how they fit on me so you might see how they can fit on you. I have had this wig at least a year, if not longer. I have worn it over and over again. Keep in mind, I don't wear the same wig every day. So they last longer for me because I really rotate my wigs out. But this seems to hit into my monthly favorites a lot because I wear it a lot. Okay, Noriko Meadow and Silverstone. I love Silverstone. Look how pretty this color is. I like it that it's heavily highlighted around the face, and then the salt and pepper all through the rest of it. This has a nice profile, I think. I like, now this is a basic cap wig. There is no bells and whistles here. No lace front, no mono features of any kind. And it's Noriko, so it fits me snug. However, look how low density this is. Now there is some permatease in here. Absolutely, there's some permatease in here, but not like you would normally think on a Noriko wig. They usually have a lot of permatease, right? Again, there is some that gives it this shape, like we were talking about, but it's not overdone. You can tell just looking here, this is not huge hair. So even if I get my hands in it, like I'm showing you exactly what to do, and it still doesn't get that big because it's not that much permatease, but it does provide the shape of this wig, which I think is needed here. And wow, Meadow is very popular style, and I can see why. It's super easy to wear. Really a nice, again, a nice profile, a nice length here. So if you haven't tried it, check it out, and be sure to look at Silverstone. This wig does not get enough love. I'm just going to tell you, I love this wig. This is Henry Margaux Hannah, and this color is 14H. Now, like I said, I don't see enough about Hannah because I just think not enough people have tried it. It is gorgeous. It has a full mono top. It has a lace front. It has bangs that I like to just sweep over to the side. Now you could trim a bang into this and make it a straight bang across. I love this sweeping bang. I think these fibers are gorgeous. This color is beautiful. So pretty. I wore this on a trip with some friends recently, and they could not believe this was a wig and what wig this was. Because, like I said, it's just not seen enough. So I want to draw some attention to Hannah. I think this is a beautiful style. I love the layers. It's long. It has layers all through it. It gives it a lot of movement. It's available in a lot of colors. And like I said, Henry Margaux just knows how to make these long, beautiful wigs. Okay, I saved this one for last because it's my favorite of this bunch. This is Girl Mono, Ellen Villa. Now, this color, Stone Gray Rooted. Yes, Stone Gray Rooted, 56, 60, 58. This is available 10/1/22 at Wig Studio One. This color on this style. They've added this color, Platinum Blonde Rooted and Pearl Blonde Rooted, I believe, to Girl Mono. And I think that is great. Ellen Villa took some customer feedback and decided to add those three colors to Girl Mono. So thank you, Ellen Villa, for doing that. I love this color. I love this style. You have seen me wear Girl Mono. I think I have probably 5 Girl Monos. It makes my top 10 every year. It absolutely will make my top 10 this year. But I am so glad they made this in this color. We needed a gray in Girl Mono. All these waves are so fun, and this is a nice length. It hits just below chin level. That's always nice. It is out of the box. You see what I'm doing to it? I am just getting my hands in it, loosening these waves up a little so it doesn't look so fixed. You know, I don't like my hair to look fixed. I think that's a dead giveaway for a wig that's too fixed, in my opinion. These are all just my opinions. Y'all keep that in mind. I absolutely know that I don't have the same opinion as everybody else, and I am fine with that. We all should have our own opinion about our hair. I just like mine messy, and so I put on a wig, and the first thing I do is get my hands in it. I mess it up. I run some water through it. I make it my own, and then I am out the door. So Girl Mono, if you haven't tried Girl Mono, please try Girl Mono. It's such a nice wig. Stone Gray Rooted. I hope you enjoyed this look at a few of the wigs I wore in September. Again, just go to the drop down box and you'll see full reviews on all of them. If you're not following me over on Instagram, please do. I have completely different wig content. So much fun on Instagram. So please follow along at Crazy Wig Lady on Instagram. Again, have a look at this wig. I love it. All right, leave me lots of comments and I'll see you next time.